And here's the biplane, all finished up. The final coat of spray lacquer is on. All the parts are assembled. It's looking rather wet, not dry yet. It's actually just been done, so obviously this is not complete accurate of what it's going to look like. This is glossiness should come through later on after it fully cures. But yeah, you see some bit of the underside there on the carriage, and yeah, really fun build. Some parts snapped, we had to replace those, as you can see, but all in all, a bit of a success.